Hey, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually use multiple TEMU accounts on your mobile device so that you can switch between accounts and use one for your home, for example, and one for your office. Now, it's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your mobile device, scroll up so you see the search bar and type in TEMU. Now, from there you open up the application, and once the application opens up, you see your TEMU application. Now, from out here, we're going to the button of our screen and we choose the middle option called U. Now, from out here, what we want to do, we want to go to the top right corner where the little square thingy appears, the icon in the top right corner, and here we scroll up till you see the switch accounts option. Now, in the switch accounts option, here you see your current account, as you can see here in the top of my screen, which is selected, and here I can add an account. Now, I can use Google, Facebook, Apple, or simply use a different email address or phone number. Now, once you've done this, what will happen is there will be a account edit. Now, this can be a new account or it can be a account that you've already have, or one of your son or daughters, and from there you can easily manage these accounts. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and I would thank you for watching.